Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales forecasting in Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales app from your dashboard. Locate the Forecasts tab in the navigation bar. If the Forecasts tab isn't visible, click on the app launcher and search for Forecasts. Once you're in the Forecasts tab, click on the Select Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Forecasts. Choose Forecast Settings from the suggested options. Make sure the Enable Collaborative Forecasts checkbox is checked. Click Save to apply the changes. Next, go back to the Quick Find box and type Forecast Categories. Select Forecast Categories from the results. Here, you'll define your forecast categories. You can create, edit, or delete categories based on your business needs. After adjusting the categories, return to the Quick Find box. Type Opportunity Settings and select it. Ensure that the relevant fields for forecasting are enabled. This typically includes stages, amounts, and close dates. Now, go back to your Forecasts tab. Click on Manage Forecasts to customize user access. Assign users or teams who should have permission to view and edit forecasts. Next, set up your forecast types. Go to Forecast Types within the Forecast settings. Select the types of forecasts you want to implement. These may include product forecasts or revenue forecasts. Once your types are configured, navigate to Forecast Adjustments. Here, you can enable adjustments for users. This allows users to modify forecast numbers based on their insights. Next, confirm your time periods for forecasting. Go back to Forecast Settings and set the fiscal year. Choose whether to use the standard fiscal year or a custom one. After setting the fiscal year, finalize your settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.